Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy Teachers Day to everyone, especially my parents, students, friends, and my dear teachers, especially. Also, my YouTube viewers. Uh, a special message to everyone. Learning is a process, it will never end. So that keep work on it and also work hard and smart until you reach higher level. And most of the friends and students were supporting me very much to reach higher level by supporting my videos and all. I'm really thank you for that, and it's a very great support for me now. Keep support and keep watch my videos. So don't forget to subscribe, share, like to my videos. Share as much as possible. And at the end, respect to everyone, especially to your parents, teachers, friends, and the elders. With this quote, thank you so much for watching this video.